Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and today's video is going to be very important because in this video we will discuss about how we can automate our PowerPoint. And believe me, you can create a complex presentation within 10 to 20 seconds, not more than. We are going to integrate the AI ChatGPT with the PowerPoint in front of you. So this video is going to be very important, and you have to check out each and every step very carefully. If you skip this video even for a second, you will create a mess. So it is very simple. Just you have to open your PowerPoint, and if you didn't watch my earlier video that how we can install the genuine Office without subscription, without crack, so you have to go onto the description of this video, description link, and the Office description link, Office video link is available over there, and you have to click it, and you will let you know that how you can install the genuine Office within 30 to 45 minutes. So it is pretty much simple. Now in order to set up the AI with the PowerPoint so that you can automate your PowerPoint instantly and you can create your presentation automatically within 10 to 20 seconds, automatically images will be downloaded, each and everything. Just you have to give the simple instruction in the human language, in English. So let's start. So we have to click onto the add-on button. Once you open the PowerPoint, you will have an option of add-on button. Then you have to click onto the more, and then you have to type ChatGPT. Once you type the ChatGPT, you will have an option of this ChatGPT for PowerPoint. Then add it, continue it. It will take around 10 to 20 seconds, not more than that, depending on your internet speed. So it is done. Now you have to give simple commands. So presentation is ready. Now you have to create the topic. Just you have to give the topic. Let's say so once we type the instruction, we have to you can select the number of pages that how much length of PPT you need. Let's say I want a PPT of 4 pages because I don't want a lengthy PPT because everybody hate the long length PPT, so I don't like it at all. So we will go for the 5 pages, just for 5 pages, then continue. You can see that the presentation outline has already been ready. If you want to change it, you can edit it, then continue. You can see that if you want to change anything onto the preview, you can change the color, you can change whatever you want. It is completely editable. So I don't want to change anything. So you can see that it is working and generating the PPT in front of you automatically, and it will take around 20 to 30 seconds, not more than that, and your presentation will be ready automatically. See that you can see that in front of you the magic is happening, and presentation is creating automatically. It will download the images, it will download the content, it will write the content for you and create the absolute amazing presentation for you within a short time. Great. Noise pollution overview. Great, presentation is ready. So you can check out this. Wow. All the data is available. You can see that in the form of the pie chart. Great. Reduce policy. It is also going to let you know that how we can reduce the noise. Implementation timeline. It is also giving you a complete timeline, year by year. Great. So you can create more complex presentation by giving the simply command. If you define more, it will give you more good presentation, more excellent presentation. So it's depend up to you. If you give the long set of instructions, it will give you it will provide automatic presentation accordingly. So your instructions, as per your instruction, good instructions, you will have an excellent presentation. So you have to give proper instruction to the PowerPoint, and you will get excellent presentation within 20 to 30 seconds, not more than that. So this is all about the video. If you didn't watch my video that how we can download the genuine office without crack, without subscription, so you have to go into the link of the in the description of this video. You will get a link that how we can download the genuine office without any crack, without any subscription. I request you also watch that video. This video was amazing, and I think you guys like this video a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.